Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Codemagic for Flutter CI builds, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Codemagic website. Click on the sign up button on the home page. You will be prompted to choose a sign-in method. Select your preferred option, such as GitHub, Bitbucket, or email. If you choose email, enter your email address and create a password. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Once your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for the confirmation email and click on the verification link. After verifying, return to the Codemagic website and log into your account. Upon logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Now, click on the Add Application button. Choose the repository where your Flutter project is hosted. Authorize Codemagic to access your chosen repository. Select the branch you want to build from. Fill in the details for the application, including the name and description. Specify the build configuration for your Flutter project. Click on Save to add your application. Next, navigate to the Workflows tab to set up your CI/CD pipeline. Click on Add New Workflow to create a new workflow. Customize your build settings according to your project requirements. Define the build triggers, such as when to trigger a build. Set additional options, including code signing and testing preferences. Once everything is set, click Save to finalize the workflow. To start your first build, navigate back to the dashboard. Select the application you want to build from the list. Click on the Start Build button. Monitor the build process through the provided logs in real time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.